SUHAIRI. Okay, so today I'm going to presenting my mobile application that its name is Crypto Crack Action, and we're going to put that background. So Crypto Crack is a simple and engaging mobile game developed using MIT app inventor that challenges users to decrypt hidden word using letter substitution technique. The game is designed with educational value in mind, helping users, especially students, to enhance their vocabulary, problem solving, and logical thinking through fun gameplay. The application presents encrypted message categorized by difficulty level, which easy, medium, hard. User must decipher them correctly to score points. Okay. So then we're going to the storyboard. Okay, so first user going to main page, they're going to click start button and they're going to enter the name page, which they have to enter their name and then they have to click the button proceed to proceed to the next page, that is difficulty page. So they have to choose between three: easy, medium, hard, and then after they click any of these three button, they are going to the game page based on the difficulty they choose. So the difficulty they choose, the harder they get, the harder the code is, has to encrypt. So first they have the text box, which is the user has to enter. Then they have the label feedback, which is if the user has entered correct input. And then we have a button check answer to check the answer that user enter. And then they have to they have to click the button next question, which is will show the next question of the encrypted code. And then we have a button hint, which will show hint of any of these words and decrypt them. And then we have a score label that will show user score. Then last button is a back button, which they will be redirected back to the difficulty page. And the last one is a label notes for each difficulty, so they will get on how to solve it. And then the last one, we got the result page, which have name, difficulty, how many correct answer they get, and how many score they have, and how long did they take to solve the level. And then they can choose between back to main, or they want to play again as the same person, so it will store the same name. Okay, if they choose to back to main menu, then they will back here, main page. Okay, so next we're going to the actual app user flow. Okay, so first it will start with a main page, CryptoCrack. So first, if the user click the start game button, it will proceed to the name page, so which they have to enter their name. Example here is DANIE, and then we will proceed. And then they have to choose the difficulty. It has easy, medium, hard. For example here, I click easy, and then after they enter the correct answer, they will have a label saying it is correct. And if they enter the wrong words, it will tell you to try again. And then after you've reached the last question, it will say you've reached the last question and proceed to the result page, which you have to just to click the next button, and then it will redirect to the game result. Then here it will display your name, the difficulty you choose, correct answer, score, and time taken. And then you can choose either to play again or just to back home. So if you click to play again, it will just redirect to the difficulty, or if you click to back to home, then it will show you back to the main screen. And then you can see about or how to play. So how to play, it will say each message is encoded using simple cipher. Guess the original message to earn points. About CryptoCrack is a fun puzzle game that helps you practice spelling and by decoding secret message. So this is the developer, and we just have, and if you click the back to home button, it will just back to the main page. Okay, so we're going to proceed to the actual apps. Okay, so we are going to the actual apps. So first they have when user click about how to play, we'll just proceed to the normal developer, how to play or about. Okay, back to home back. So we're going to start the game. So first we're going to fill in our name, proceed, and then we just click easy. And for this one, if you don't know the words, you can just click in, and you just have to solve it. So if they're correct, so you will get the correct one. So and then as usual, you can just click in, and if you don't know, you can just skip the question. Next, and let's say if you click in again, and you just play again. So you have 3 chances to click in, and but as you can see, your score is going will be -5, be minus by 5. And we're just going to skip it until the last one. So this is the last one. So click hint, you have all, see, you have to use all your hints. So you can just use our hint again. So you can just chances just say try again. Then we're going to click next. So you're just going to proceed to the game result. And it will show your name, the difficulty you choose, the correct answer, and score you have, and how long you take the question. Then if you click play again, you can just redirect it to the difficulty. If you choose medium, then if we just hit answer without typing anything, we just say try again. And if you hit in the wrong one, also you just straight try again. So if we just click here, let's say you, and this next. If we will answer incorrect, and then we just next until we have anything. So we just click back to home. We'll just redirect here. So, all right, check. So if you just reset all everything, and back, you can just give it here, and then you will set everything, the time and all. So, and then you will produce something, and that's it. That's all about my system. Thank you.